Хуярь, хуярь! Збив! Збив! Збив!
Russian Defense Ministry report on the progress of the special military operation. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In Volchansk and Lipsy directions, units of the Sever Group of Forces inflicted losses on formations of the 92nd Assault Brigade of the AFU, 36th Marine Brigade, and 103rd Territorial Defense Brigade near Maly Prokody, Lipsy, and Volchanskaya Khutora, Kharkov region. The AFU losses amounted to up to 125 troops, 1 armored fighting vehicle, 4 motor vehicles, 1 U.S.-made 155 mm M777 howitzer, 2 152 mm D-20 guns, and 1 field ammunition depot. Units of the Zapad Group of Forces improved the tactical situation and inflicted losses on manpower and hardware of the 43rd, 44th, 66th, 115th Mechanized Brigades, 3rd Assault Brigade of the AFU, 110th, 117th Territorial Defense Brigades, and the 12th Azov Special Operations Brigade near Kovsharovka, Petropavlovka, Gleshkovka, Krudlyakhovka, Kharkov region, Novoyegorovka, Makievka, Lugansk People's Republic, Torskoy, Donetsk People's Republic, and Serebransky Forestry. 2 counterattacks launched by assault detachments of the AFU 14th and 116th Mechanized Brigades were repelled. The AFU losses amounted to more than 500 troops, 1 tank, 2 U.S.-made M113 armored personnel carriers, 7 motor vehicles, 1 U.S.-made 155 mm M198 howitzer, 1 152 mm MSTB howitzer, 1 152 mm D-20 howitzer, 2 122 mm D-30 howitzers, and UK-made 105 mm L-119 and US-made M101 howitzers. 1 Anklavin electronic warfare station, 1 US-made and /TPQ-50 counterbattery radar, and 5 ammunition depots were destroyed. Units of the UG Group of Forces continued to advance to the depth of the enemy's defenses and inflicted losses on formations of the 30th, 54th, 93rd Mechanized Brigades, 143rd, 144th Infantry Brigades, 46th Airmobile Brigade, 10th, 80th Assault Brigade of the AFU, 114th, and 116th Territorial Defense Brigades near Verkhnekamenskoye, Peryezdnoy, Chasov Yar, Stupachki, Pretikino, Maximilianovka, and Katarinovka, Donetsk People's Republic. The AFU losses amounted to up to 745 troops, 3 pickup trucks, 2 152 mm D-20 guns, 2 122 mm D-30 howitzers, 3 UK-made 105 mm L-119 howitzers, 2 electronic warfare stations, and 3 field ammunition depots. As a result of active actions, units of the Center Group of Forces liberated Zavidnoy, Donetsk People's Republic. Losses were inflicted on manpower and hardware of the AFU 23rd, 24th, 47th, 100th Mechanized Brigades, 59th Motorized Infantry Brigade, 142nd Infantry Brigade, and 25th Airborne Brigade near Dzerzhinsk, Krasnoarmeysk, Sherbanovka, Grodovka, Zurovka, Mykolovka, Seledovo, and Memrik, Donetsk People's Republic. 8 counterattacks launched by assault detachments of the 53rd, 150th Mechanized Brigades, 71st Jaeger Brigade, 95th Air Assault Brigade of the AFU, 14th, 15th National Guard Brigades, and the Lyad Brigade of the National Police of Ukraine were repelled. The AFU losses amounted to up to 530 troops, 2 tanks, 1 armored personnel carrier, 3 motor vehicles, 1 French-made 155mm Caesar self-propelled artillery system, 1 152mm MSTB howitzer, 2 152mm D-20 howitzers, 3 122mm D-30 howitzers, and 1 100mm Rapora anti-tank gun. Units of the Vostok Group of Forces took more advantageous lines and positions as well as inflicted losses on formations of the AFU 61st, 72nd Mechanized Brigades, 58th Motorized Infantry Brigade of the AFU, and 128th Territorial Defense Brigade near Vodianoy, Dobrovoly, Ugledar, Novokrenka, and Velikaya Novosayolka, Donetsk People's Republic. The AFU losses amounted to up to 110 troops, 1 tank, 7 motor vehicles, and 1 Polish-made 155mm Kraft self-propelled artillery system. Units of the Dnieper Group of Forces inflicted losses on manpower and hardware of the 31st Mechanized Brigade, 128th Mountain Assault Brigade of the AFU, and the 123rd Territorial Defense Brigade near Orkhov, Zaporozhye Region, Dniprovskoy, Kherson Region, and Kherson. The AFU losses amounted to up to 75 troops, 4 motor vehicles, and 1 152mm D-20 gun. Operational tactical aviation, unmanned aerial vehicles, missile troops, and artillery of the Russian groups of forces wiped out 1 ammunition factory, 1 uncrewed surface vehicle depot, 1 temporary deployment point of foreign mercenaries, as well as engaged AFU manpower and hardware in 136 areas. Air defense units shot down 3 U.S.-made ATACMS operational tactical missiles, 5 French-made hammered guided aerial bombs, 1 Alka MLRS projectile, and 27 unmanned aerial vehicles. Units of the Black Sea Fleet destroyed 11 AFU uncrewed surface vehicles. In total, 642 airplanes and 283 helicopters, 31,044 unmanned aerial vehicles, 575 air defense missile systems, 17,822 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,435 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 14,091 field artillery guns and mortars, as well as 25,584 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.